of Shantiniketan School is here to present the presentation of urban planning and its design. First, my team member K. Shashank is going to give the importance of urban planning.
Good morning. My name is Shashank. A city or a town is an area larger in the size than a village or a group of villages where a large number of total household management are engaged in non-agricultural activities to earn their living. But some people believe that city life is what promises and causes many problems to the environment and individual health. So urban planning is important for wide-ranging and holistic development of the life. Now my friend Yashwant is going to continue.
Good morning, my name is Ashwant. I am standing in front of you to speak about the song Vishwale Welcome. Vishwale Welcome, Vishwale Welcome, Vishwale Welcome. Today, all in the road, we do believe Vishwale Welcome. Today, we will walk united to solve the problems of the road. Road deep in my heart, we do believe we will walk united to solve the problems of citizens. Every day, we will walk. We are not afraid to solve the problems of the people. We shall welcome. So my EPS will continue.
Good morning, my name is Hitesh. I would like to say the description of the road. The road which we choose is the collected road which joins both arterial and local roads. The address of the road is Gandhi Circle, Nehru Road, Panchanti, 3rd stage. The width of the road is 16.8 meters. The watt number of the road is 162. Thank you. Now my friend Gunashri will continue.
The mic is on, don't touch it please.
Good morning.
To speak about methods for our project.
Methods for our project. First, planning. Second, surveying and data collection. Third, identification problems and its causes. Fourth, solution. Now, my friend install the problem. Hello, I am Gurucharan. I am going to list out the problems that we are suffering in. Noise pollution, air pollution, we are not having proper roads, proper footpath and street vendors and many garbages and parking the vehicles in the no parking. My team member Ankit is going to continue.
Good morning, my dear friends and my respected judges. As my friend Gurucharan listed out the problems we face, I am here to give a brief account of it. People say that there is an extreme noise pollution as it is an arterial road connecting local and the arterial road. There will be vehicles passing all the time. So in case if there is any traffic jam, the people are really going to call and they will not even think of any hospitals or the people residing there. They just want to get rid of the jam and they want to pass through. So what will next about the sanitation? What Mr. Shivaswamy had said as this, when the BWSSB people come to clear the sanitation, they clear it and they throw it on the footpath, and if any people residing there ask why they are throwing it there, they just rudely answer that it's not our work is done by clearing the sanitation. Now it's the BBMP people's work to just clear it up. And the people residing there are fed up they first were really fed up of calling these BWSB people. And next they are thinking about how many days will it take to clear that dustbin on the footpath. Mr. Anant Rao, what he had said is, he's a 78 years old man. When we saw him walking through that garbage, we asked him why is he taking so much of trouble of passing through. He told us, look at the garbage there. When we saw it was just a pile of garbage, so he just laughed and said us, how can I go past through this? I'm a 78 years old man. If I walk on the roads, I really get scared of the people if they come dash me up. So he has no other way to go slowly or cross that stinky garbage. So recently there was an incident happened in the same place. This garbage, as you can see, there are two houses. You can see people walking like this on the road. So in this garbage, they were yesterday or 2 days before, when the BBMP people were called, when they were cleaning it up, they saw 2 alive snakes on the pit. But luckily, none of the BBMP people nor any of the residing people got attacked by that. But this is just an incident. But we still don't know why these BBMP people are giving a chance for the snake to come there. Next, the monkeys. This may sound silly, but there are monkeys problems all over that residing place. And all the people there have said us. This may sound funny at the first, but if you are in that situation, you might know. I'll give you an example. The monkeys trouble a lot. They misplace their slippers and clothes from one house. This may be a simple problem to hear, but imagine yourself going to your neighbor's house to take your slippers or your clothes, saying that this is my clothes, this is my slipper, and the monkeys by mistake they have misplaced it. How ridiculous will it be for you to get up early in the morning and go to your neighbor's house? So such problems are created. Now my leader Pushkar will sort out the solutions.
Yeah, as my friend told, listed out the problems, I'm going to tell about the solutions. The noise pollution. We could insert a no horn board near the hospital, and for air pollution we can use less emitting vehicles or buses to travel for nearby places, and we can use also solar cars like and for street vendors we could arrange them some stalls for them, and for garbage we could keep a dustbin from which they can throw the garbage in the dustbin, not on the empty side or on the footpath. And about the footpath, the stakeholders will place their boards on the footpath, so the people complain that there is we cannot travel on the pass on the road. So we can just clear it or keep on other side of the road. And for monkeys, we could keep our doors locked so that the monkeys cannot come, and we should keep our objects safe. Yeah, thank you. Now Divanish is going to tell about the learning and results.
Morning. Today I am going to tell you about learning and its results. On this project we have learned many things. They are teamwork and coordination. We also get to know we can make only through people participation. And if it is clean, we can make it easily clean. And in result, we can be free from all the diseases. Now my friend Anusha will continue.
Good morning. I am going to tell about what Mr. Suswamis says is that the BWSSK people are gathered the road for more than 2 times, and because of that there are more and more manuals and carpos. The sanitation plan is worse. The BWSSK people clean the decks and throw the waste in the road itself. According to people, footpath is renamed as footpath. Now my friend Ashita will continue.
Good morning, I am Ashita. I am here to say about action taken. First we kept a note on our carburetor, but we didn't get any answer to reply. So we directly went to ask. We directly educated the people that don't throw the garbages on the road. Now my friend Narasa.
Good morning.
See, oh, yesterday we smoked tea green, today we keep it clean. Be clean or you are me. Clean is not a group of words. It is a way of life. Overcome yourself for cleaner tomorrow.
Since there are garbage and here and there, the best solution for the garbage is dustbin. So my team member Anguraj has written a jingle based on dustbin. Based on dustbin.
This jingle was written by myself when I saw the pile of garbages all around the place. So it goes like this: the dustbin. I may stink and I may be dirty, but I will keep you safe and tidy. You may feel cheap while taking me, you may feel disgusting while carrying me, but remember a day without me. You may spit it on me, you may dump it on me, but remember to use me. Some people take me in, some people put me out, some people also throw or push me out, but I'll never worry because there's someone to pick me up. Maybe you or my friend Mr. and Mrs. BBMP Brown. Thank you.